above the endless rainforest, beyond the reach of the forest floor. Something powerful watches from the canopy. Most creatures never see it. The jungle is loud, full of movement, sound, and life. But high in the branches, there is patience. A massive eagle rests between the trees. Its feathers blend with the forest light. Its eyes scan the world below. From this height, nothing escapes its sight. The rainforest moves slowly beneath it. Leaves shake in the wind. Branches bend with life. Somewhere below, a small movement breaks the calm. The eagle waits, still, silent. Then suddenly, the wings unfold. The forest air rushes past as the eagle dives. Through branches, through shadows, through beams of sunlight. Every movement is controlled, every second precise. In the rainforest canopy, power does not need noise. It only needs the right moment. And when that moment arrives, the sky itself becomes the hunter.